Hello, Scorpio. This is the reading for the month of April 2021 for the sign of Scorpio. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe it and also do not forget to like and share this video. So let's get started with the love reading of Scorpio for the month of April 2021. So this is a general reading. So this may or may not resonate with all of you, and so you guys should know that I'm also a Scorpio. So you guys are kind of favorite for me. So let's start with the reading. Just letting you guys know about it. Okay. Start with it. Okay. For the beginning, it's a good beginning. It's Nine of Pentacles. So it's like money is on your mind, first of all. Like you guys are happy and you guys are thinking more about money, manifesting money and all. See, money is, a big factor for you guys for the month of April. And the Lovers card. Let's see where this Lovers card take you. For sure, there is a, mutual love between the person and you that you guys are seeing right now. And with the Nine of Pentacles, this this Nine of Pentacles coming with the Lovers card, it enhances its energy. Like everything, every aspect of your life is going in a positive direction. So no bitterness and all. Everything is good between you two. See where this takes us. Yeah, with the Three of Pentacles again. Oh, yeah, you guys might be dealing with the, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, because, within three cards, two Pentacles have come and one of them major Arcana cards. So let's see. Yeah, I can see you guys getting, at some pedestal. Like you guys might, be getting engaged or getting your relationship to a next level, or telling your parents might be getting your relation to a is, defined as a next level. Like you guys are now way too serious about it. Let's see where this takes with the Moon card. Some things are, I feel like there might be one or two hindrances in between, like the small things that you might have hide from your partner. You're hiding from your partner. The very small things, bits and pieces. Like it does not matter too much, but yeah, it's an important part of the deal that we must know about it. Although it's like, why haven't you told me about this earlier? This could be a conversation, but it's not like a big thing, but one must know about it. So, yeah, not a major issue here. Okay, two, three cards. Okay, King of Wands. You know, this says stableness. So whenever King of Wands is here with the Moon card and the Lovers card, see, this is where it is going. Like King of Wands is showing, I believe so, that it is showing some stability in the relationship. Like you guys might be, getting forward for a marriage and all. Since the starting of a beginning, it's showing me that. I hope the Sun cards come up. Yeah, it was like you were thinking way too much about it, feeling way too much like what the parents will say, or whatever the approval authority might approve it or not, what will be happening with our relationship and all. You were thinking about it, and now it is all resolved. So you don't have to worry about it more. Things are going to get easy. It was all in your mind. It was all in your mind that you were thinking bad about the situation and all. It was all in your mind. It is not going to happen. So it is going to be very smooth journey. Yeah, Nine of Cups. you are going to be happy. Like I can feel it. Like no third party situation, no one bringing in drama, no one bringing in like sudden trauma, no one like back bitching and all. So let's see. Okay, and the Ten of Pentacles, I can see, uh, very good energies of good business aspects. Finances are looking very good here. So I cannot see a bit and pieces of uh, other than this moon card. I cannot see anything, negative in your cards right now. Everything is good, 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 which is rare for the Scorpios. Like there is always some drama going on in the lives of Scorpio. So let's see. And the star card come. Yeah, it all things are lined up. It's like step by step. Everything is going to be smooth in your life for the month of April. Yeah. And the Six of Wands, it is definitely going to be, converted into a marriage. Since the beginning of the reading, I'm telling you guys, this is going to be converted into a marriage. I hope so. Your parents approve of this, or the approving parties, or like you might be getting an offer of of a marriage and all. So let's see where this goes. You are if not so taking the proposal to the parents or the approving authority, you guys might be getting the approval of the higher person, like whoever is your mentor in your life, like from whom you seek permission before taking any decisions. And there might be any marriage proposals, like a big fat proposal with a bit of a happy drama and all. So expect that for this month. Like you're going to get a good marriage proposal also. Yeah. With the Four of Cups, you are like, since people came to know about your marriage and all, you kind of took a step back and thinking about what have you been through in your relationship. Is it good? Is it not good? Yeah, you are thinking about it, and there might be some other proposals too, other than the marriage proposal. From the person other than the person you are with right now, like some third party also coming in, rushing in, like, please consider me too before, considering him or her as your life partner. Please consider, but you are not paying attention to those offers right now. And the Tower card, I think this is definitely going to change things in your life. The Tower card with these, all the positive cards, does not bring any negative energy. I think this is going to be a, sudden conversion. Like whenever you take this relationship to a next level, and it is like in a blink, boom, you are married. I feel so. Let's see what else is coming here. For some of you, it is like a marriage proposal, or for some of you, you are already committed and now you're taking it to a, next level by talking to your parents or some higher authority. Yeah, Page of Swords in reverse. I can see all of these things again and again with each and every card. So, what is going on in the mind of your partner? Let's see. What are they thinking about this relationship right now? The month of April. Let's see what are they thinking about you. Yeah, the Empress, they are taking in charge. Like, they are in a very good mood. Like, they're in a very good position in their life. So they are ready to be settled. So they are very, very stable emotions. They know what they want in their life and they want it with you. So I can feel it converting into a marriage, not now, but very soon. Yeah, I can see all those things with Six of Swords being here, like even if your parents does not allow it, you might be like converting it into a marriage anyhow. For some of you might be eloping away and getting married and coming back to your parents after a few days. That might be a case, although I would not recommend these things. And being a Scorpio, you guys also won't be taking such kind of steps, but it's a card, so you might be thinking about it if the parents does not allow and all. Yeah, you are considering the situation where I am, where were we, and looking at the, what have you gained from all this relationship and all, how will this work in the future? You're considering all those options after the proposal came in from the guy or girl. Yeah, it is definitely going to be converted into a marriage. That's all the reading from the beginning it is saying. Let's see a card from the universe as a message for you guys. Yeah, it is going to be a happy ending. I hoped for the sun card and it came as a message from the universe. I hoped for it in between the reading. I hope that the sun card came up in your reading and it came up, it showed up. Yes, and it is going to be, a happily ever after type of reading is this for you, Scorpio. So, yes, and please do not to forget that these things will happen only when there is a proposal, when you will keep things in front of the higher authority, or if there is a proposal from your partner. So at the end, all these things will be, happy, 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 happy. And the card also came up, the sun. So it is all a positive vibe energy. I feel like April is going to be a very good month for you, Scorpios. So that's it for the month of April for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.